Well, hello there, dear friends. Today's question might seem simple, but it's one that affects comfort, health, and even dignity. How often should older adults bathe or shower? You may think the answer is every day, but the science and our aging bodies say otherwise. So pour yourself some tea and let's explore together. We all know that bathing is part of good hygiene. It keeps our skin clean, controls odor, and prevents infections. But did you know it also boosts mood, helps with sleep, and contributes to our sense of independence and identity? For older adults, personal care is not just about staying fresh. It's about feeling good in our skin, literally and emotionally. Now, let's debunk a big myth. Daily bathing isn't always necessary, and in fact, it can be harmful for older skin. As we age, our skin produces less oil. That means it dries out more easily. Bathing too often can strip away natural oils, leading to itching, cracking, and even infection. Most older adults only need to bathe once or twice a week. That's enough to stay clean, healthy, and comfortable without drying out the skin. And what about shampooing? Again, aging changes everything. Our scalps produce less sebum, the natural oil that keeps hair moisturized. For many older folks, washing hair just once a week is plenty. In between, dry shampoo can help manage oil and maintain volume, especially handy on those chilly mornings. But wait! There are exceptions. If your loved one has a medical condition like incontinence, they may need to wash more frequently to stay comfortable and avoid irritation or infection. Sweating due to medications, skin conditions, or just a warm summer day? That might call for a midweek freshen up. Now, you might be wondering, why do some older people avoid bathing altogether? It's not laziness or stubbornness, my dears. There are usually very real reasons behind it. Fear of falling. Bathrooms are slippery. A bad fall can mean a hospital stay, or worse. Fatigue or pain, arthritis, joint problems, or low energy can make even simple tasks exhausting. Depression. Mental health issues can sap motivation and energy. Memory loss or dementia, confusion, fear, or simply forgetting can get in the way of hygiene. Loss of independence. Needing help to bathe can feel like losing control of one's life. Understanding the why helps us offer better support and more compassion. So, how can we help our loved ones keep clean, safe, and dignified? Let's talk solutions. Create a routine. Familiarity reduces stress. Bathing at the same time each day or week can turn a challenge into a habit. Make it pleasant. Warm towels, cozy robes, favorite music. Turn the bathroom into a spa. Maintain dignity. If someone needs help, use a robe. Cover one body part at a time and always ask permission. Respect comes first. Add safety equipment. Grab bars, shower chairs, non-slip mats. These tools reduce fear and increase confidence. Try alternatives. Sponge baths or no-rinse wipes can be just as effective, especially for those with mobility issues. Sometimes the problem goes deeper. If a loved one refuses to bathe, consider talking to their doctor. Depression, cognitive decline, or other conditions may be at play, and treatable. Professional caregivers can also provide personal hygiene help in a respectful and discreet way. For many people, getting help from someone outside the family feels less embarrassing and more comfortable. And here's a little trick I love. Give them a reason to get ready. A lunch with friends, a walk in the park, a visit from the grandkids. Sometimes a little social motivation is all it takes to get back into the routine. So, how often should older adults bathe? Once or twice a week is usually just right. But there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Pay attention to comfort, safety, and personal preferences. And if you're a caregiver, be patient, be kind, and remember, supporting hygiene is about supporting dignity. It's one of the most loving things you can do. Until next time, dear ones, stay warm, stay safe, and stay curious. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next helpful video.